Nobody knows I live in my minivan. Except you. You know. Good morning. Just waking up in my minivan. Well, actually it's afternoon now. I did some things this morning. I went to Walmart and I got this really nice blanket. Kiwi, here's a greenie. Day, Kiwi. You having a good day? Good morning. Look at my beautiful view. You still sleepy? It's time to get up. You see any squirrels? I don't know if they're up yet. Time for Kiwi's breakfast. Chicken and dry kibble. Pepper's getting some chicken too. Pepper loves chicken. Is that good, Kiwi? Of course, she eats all the chicken and leaves the dry kibble for later. Sometimes you got neighbors using their blower, and sometimes you're at the park and they're using the blower. They do a really good job of keeping this trail and park clean. I love it here. Nobody knows I live in my minivan. Except you. You know. Because I told you. Alright, let's see what Pepper's up to. Hey, Pepper. Good morning. Alright, Kiwi, let's get you up there. Up. Alright, well, under here I have some storage. shoes, potty pads. I got room for a couple more things. All right, guys. I've been keeping the floor clean by just shaking the rug out every day. What I have for the floor is a 3/4 inch piece of plywood and roll out vinyl sheet flooring. And keeping a little rug on there has been working out pretty good. Hi, Pepper. He always puts his paw in the water first to check. Does your dad do that? So my breakfast for today is a scrambled egg on sourdough toast, and I'm drinking licorice root tea, which is very sweet. The spices I'm putting in with the egg is salt, cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and Parmesan cheese and butter. And I'm making it in my mini rice cooker by Dash, and I'm toasting my bread in my mini toaster. This was the first time I made scrambled eggs in my mini rice cooker, and I am going to give you my honest opinion right now. Good, very good. Creamy and buttery. Definitely recommend. I had a very uneventful day today, but it was still a really nice day. Right now it is 7:02 p.m. I am settled in for the night. I'm just gonna watch TV. I'm going to... Kiwi, you're interrupting my video with your scratching. You've been completely quiet for an hour and now you start scratching when I start filming. Can you please just take a break? I'm filming. So I'm gonna watch something on my iPad tonight. Which reminds me, I have something special to show you guys tomorrow that is hiding behind there. And it's kind of big. I'm surprised I didn't include it in my last video, but oh my gosh, Kiwi. He's so cute.